Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to use Face ID to install app from App Store and iPhone iOS 14. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, open App Store. So we try to install 8 ball pool. Click on get. Type install. As you can see, it's asking me for Apple ID password, so cancel it. Go back, open settings, scroll down, type on Face ID and passcode, give you a passcode, turn on iTunes and App Store, give you a Apple ID password. Now go back, type on screen time, type on content and privacy restrictions, turn it on, and type on iTunes and App Store, type on don't required. So we try now. Open App Store, type on 8 ball pool. So double click on the side button. Give your Face ID. It's working. Thanks for watching.